another telekinesis video. Today we're going to talk about the question, how can you use telekinesis in your normal life? In all my videos I try to teach you how to do telekinesis, and everybody who knows how to do that so far knows that telekinesis is not very easy to do. So how can you use this in your normal life? How do I use it in my normal life? And to be honest, I don't use it that often to make my life easier. To me, telekinesis is not just the ability to move objects from A to B. For me, it's more of a lifestyle, the way how I treat the people around me, the way how grateful I am for the things I have, how I treat my environment, how I treat my home, how I treat my own body and mind. So, telekinesis, it has many shades. But now the question, how do I use it in my normal life? Especially with the new telekinesis method I've been practicing for about 4 months now, you can do telekinesis to objects you don't have a connection to, and that makes it way more practical. In all fairness though, I'm still a beginner with this method, so I do try to do it quite often. It doesn't always work. For example, I like to close the door with telekinesis. I try to make this my habit every time I left the door open. Try to close it with telekinesis, with the new telekinesis method. And sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. What else do I do? When I need to get my glass of water, I try to pull it towards me with telekinesis. But then again, it's not very easy, especially a glass of water. It can tip, it can fall, you can break it. So I have to be careful with that. When I wake up in the morning and I see my clothes are kind of far away, too far to grab it, but it's too cold and outside the bed, so I try to bring the clothes closer to me with telekinesis. It worked twice so far. So what I'm trying to say is, telekinesis is a very hard ability to learn and to control. And when it comes to easy tasks, like getting your clothes, getting your water, closing the door, if you're not a master of telekinesis, it will always be easier to just get up, walk over there, and do it manually with your hands. A few days ago, I got a new person in my comments, and then later on in my emails. This person is handicapped. It's in a wheelchair. He cannot walk. And I'm very happy for him that he discovered my YouTube channel and he discovered telekinesis, because telekinesis is gonna make his life way easier. It's not as easy for him to get up, close the door with his hands, just like it is for me. So telekinesis is going to be very, very helpful for him. And I'm very happy that he discovered this channel. I'm very excited to see how much he's going to learn. He's very motivated, and I try to help him as good as I can. That's why I started making more videos again, because he has so many questions, and all of you guys have so many questions, and I'm here to help you. Okay? By the way, I'm not wearing my usual mask because it's in the laundry right now. That's why I'm wearing this. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments.